Hey there, Tall Man Clan, and welcome back. Today, we are on the MSC Seascape. We are on deck 7, and we're going to check out all the public spaces for you guys in relationship to stairs and elevators. So we like to stay off to the right, but as you can see, there's nothing over here on the right. It's crew-only doors. All right, so let's make our way this way. Here are some restrooms, men and women's, as well as accessibility access, stairs, and we're gonna stay to the right. And it is late or early, depending on how you look at it. So there's a lot of doors that are closed because they're cleaning, getting the place all spick and span. Here is the Aegean restaurant. I believe this is for the people in the yacht club to use, as well as the Diamonds, which is their top tier, right? God, I love the look in here, guys. A sculpture right there. Yeah, a much more intimate setting in here than the other two restaurants we've been in. But again, the Aegean is not an upscale restaurant. It's one of the 3 free ones. But they assign you which restaurant you're going to eat at. They'll let you know your time. Here's your welcome area here. And then, oh, never noticed these, the changing lights. These screens, they are. No, it's a cloth and there's lights behind it. Very neat, right? Makes it sort of a living wall. Speaking of living, this cool little passageway. You want a picture in a hot air balloon? That's kind of neat, right? Now, we're getting to the back where there's a couple things here. The Cabaret Rouge and the Skyline Restaurant. So we'll go look at the Skyline Restaurant first, which is right here. Again, this is another one of the public restaurants, excuse me. And it just wraps around. Some art installation that looks like a skyline. That's the name of the restaurant. Same thing with all the lights there on the wall. It's very elegant, guys. All right, and then your entrance to La Cabaret Rouge. This is a really cool club, guys. It is 2 stories. You can only access it, though, from deck 7, but it does go down to deck 6, which we'll show you here in a minute. Well, let's go ahead and look at this level. Here's the deck 7 bar. All right, so you have all this area over here. Then sort of this mid area, and another mid area over there. We're going to walk all the way around here in a second. DJ can perform from up there, but they also have bands and stuff that'll play down there on the stage. So, and they do shows up in here too. Very, very cool setting. There are ramps to get down here, which are over there. Okay, I came down the steps. There are some restrooms over here on this side. It's funny, a lot of cruise lines where the showrooms are, they don't actually put the restaurants, there you go, in the showrooms. They're typically outside of the showrooms. Here you go, ramp down. On MSC, the bathrooms are within the showrooms, which are nice. So again, you can see the other side. Before we wrap around, we'll just go down here on this side, so you can see down there. Again, we are sort of walking down to what would technically be deck 6, but you cannot access this club from deck 6. You can only get here from deck 7. And you definitely need to come down and check out La Cabaret Rouge. All right? Really neat setting. When we were on the seashore, the band was down there practicing. We caught them practicing. Tried to kick the drummer off, but he wasn't having it. All right, so we can wrap around here. All right, and this is a neat club. Not much to see right now outside, but because we're all the way in the back of the ship, I don't know. You can kind of see what I call the rooster tail, the water whizzing by, but you can look out the back. Again, DJ area. Circling around. You love all the red upholstery. I don't know why reds in this format screams cabaret. I don't know why. And all the different little seating vignettes or little areas. I don't know what to call them. And then we're back where we started. All right, you can take the ramp or the stairs. So let's continue on. More of the digital touchscreens. Boulevard de Cabaret. Du Cabaret. Have to bone up on my French. Again, we pass by sort of what I call the living wall here. Lights behind the fabric screen. The Aegean restaurant, which we've already seen. Moving forward again. It's back at the elevators where we started. And then we're moving back into the atrium, but on this deck. So on this side of the ship, there's another one of these card activation where you can put cash or credit card. Okay. So if you forgot or lost your sunglasses, you can get a new pair here, as well as there's some more watches. Nice. This is your champagne bar on this side, but we'll catch that as we circle back around. Okay. We're now going into the casino. A decent sized casino. It's really elongated. As you see, there's machines here in what I would call the entryway. And technically it is open. It's all quiet right now. All right. Machines all through over there. What's this? It's like a high roller area or something. I don't know, they got it all roped off. I love how the seats have LED screens on there as well. Wonder why they're roped off. I don't know either. Ha 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 ha. Alright, all the different machines. This area overlooks, like again, the dueling piano kind of area. Stay to the far right. A little roulette going on there. Sort of digitally though. And the exit. We're now back to the front of the ship. Whoa, careful, Lisa. Where? Yep, it's a little slippery right there. Oh yes, missed the restroom. Men's room right there. It's also accessible. It says they're rehearsing, but we know they're not. They're up here cleaning. And again, this is the deck 7. If you're staying in the yacht club, they have an area reserved for you guys. This is what it looks like. If you watched our Deck 6 tour, remember what I was talking about views, right? You've got that pillar, that or column right there, as well as right here. So there's only a couple of seats that will have some sightline issues. But even if you're sitting right here in this chair, you still get to see the entire stage, right? From one side of the stage to the other. So you're not really missing anything. So these pillars right here really don't create sightline issues. Only this one and that one. All right, let's go out this side. I'm assuming the matching restroom is on this side, or the opposite, I should say. Was it men's or women's on the other side? I can't remember. But there's it must have been men's because the women's is right here. Okay, so there's the other restroom. Going back into the casino, you have all your tables. We'll do a 360 on the tables too. So you got your craps. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. Blackjack. Blackjack. Baccarat. Roulette. It's probably mirror imaged on the other side, but we'll go look. Again, roulette. Baccarat. Blackjack. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. 3-card poker. Dream 21. And another Dream 21. So there's all your tables. Now I'll have to investigate some more, but I don't smell any smoke up here. So I don't know if there's a dedicated smoking casino and this is a non-smoking, but I don't smell cigarettes at all. Normally you could smell it. Here's your cashier's area. And then we're on our way back out. I love the carpet, right? The inlaid colors here. Yeah, it's a lot of work to do carpet like this. It's not made that way. I have to create it. All right, champagne wine bar. During the day, it's all filled with different types of champagnes and other types of liquor as well. And that wraps around to right there. All right. This also overlooks downstairs as well as upstairs. Have a good night.
Good night. Wow.
And we are right back where we started. Right here at it's called sort of the midship elevators. We haven't talked about it, but there's a set of elevators here, where we're standing right now. But there's also a small set in the back that starts on deck 8 only. Okay, we'll show you when we get there. So until we see you on the next deck or the next ship, be safe.